And that's the challenge maybe. Well, it will be more than just the testing department or me as a testing engineer is responsible to be included. We need to talk to development, maybe to, I don't know, process engineers, release engineers, and get them all on board on actually designing the process, defining the different steps in the whole control flow of this continuous integration of planning, deploying code, building, testing, releasing, and all that kind of stuff, and monitoring everything. And Typhoon Test Hub in combination with the HIL, of course, it offers this whole tool chain basically there. It's just up to us also in the future to get the right people involved, to make the right decisions or designs to get this thing working together, because the tool is there now, but it's also up to the engineers to feed the right input into the system. And yeah. It's fun.